Are you ready to learn how to copy and duplicate the high ticket affiliate program so that you can launch your online business? Hey everybody, my name is Ed Staten, and you may have seen me on this platform and on YouTube as well. I've made the transition from working in sales at TV and radio stations, and I'm now helping people generate success with online marketing. The new year is fast approaching, and if your resolution is to take your career to a new level, then now is the time that you can test out this new system for just $1, and that's for a full 30 days. We will show you how to get started in high-ticket marketing where you can sell other people's products and earn high commissions. Assembling your business is a step-by-step process, and our team led by Josh Elder stands ready to show you the system and let you try it out for the next 30 days. You'll have access to the high-ticket affiliate business blueprint, access to our weekly strategy calls, where we come together and get our questions answered. To learn more about this opportunity, then click the Learn More link now so that Josh can show you just how easy it is to get started.